Al-Masad, the palm fiber rope, is chapter 111 in the Quran. Made up of 5 verses, it was one of the earliest chapters revealed. It came as a warning to Abu Lahab, who was a powerful and wealthy leader of Quraysh. He was also the uncle of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and one of the first ones to reject his message. Both he and his wife Jamil were staunch disbelievers. They often abused the Prophet, peace be upon him, and would try to hurt him whenever they could. When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would invite the people of Mecca to Islam and to worship Allah, Abu Lahab would curse him, calling him a liar, and would threaten others not to trust or follow him. He was nicknamed Abu Lahab, which means father of flames, because he was light-skinned with fiery red cheeks. Ironically, the chapter forewarned of his inevitable place in hellfire. The first verse refers to Abu Lahab's hands, that they will perish, and that he himself will perish for trying to fight Islam. He would often say that even if Prophet Muhammad's message was truthful, his wealth would eventually save him from God's wrath. The chapter would then make it clear that neither his wealth nor any of his worldly gains, like his children, would benefit him, and that he will burn in a flaming fire. And so will his wife, who often carried harmful objects and placed them in Prophet Muhammad's path to hurt him. As punishment, she will be carrying firewood in hell, and around her neck will be a rope of palm fiber. The chapter serves as a warning to those who fight Islam and deny Allah. It also shows that Allah will only judge people based on their beliefs and actions, and not based on their wealth, power, or even the relationships they have, or who they're related to. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.